Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve jump button on Discord app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to Discord. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you'll find the update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.